are my betas. All in separate containers. This one's Charlie. He is the biggest beta I've ever seen, aside from King Beta. This one's Gary. Oh, there's Charlie again. And this guy, he's Hans. And let's see if we can get them to go crazy. Oh. There you go, there's Gary going crazy. Oh, here comes Hans. Look at those gills, look at the color, look at him. He's huge. What about you, Charlie? Oh, there was Charlie. See, look at Charlie in comparison to Gary. He's huge. Whoop. Hans is scared of the camera. Oh, Gary, calm down. There you go, they're all my betas in their display modes. We're buying them one of those beta condos. Hopefully that'll be there soon, and when I get them in there, I'll take another video. Bye.